Hey guys, my name is Monika. I'm 22 years old and I'm from Germany. I'm gonna be an au pair for the second time starting in February 2019. And even though I still have 4 months left, I thought I would just take you with me onto my pre-departure journey because there is a lot of things that need to be done before you depart, and I thought I could answer some questions. And today I actually have my visa appointment and it is currently 4:40 a.m. and I have to get going pretty soon. I also quickly want to mention the timeline before the visa interview. So at first you're obviously gonna work on your application and you are gonna get interviewed by your country's agency that works with au pair in America. Then at some point you are in the matching process, which is super exciting. And then once you match with a family, everything gets so real and exciting and people get nervous and you get so much paperwork. So you get a visa pack from the London office and it tells you everything that is in there. So you get your placement letter, important information from the US Department of State, the DS 2019 form and service fee receipt, a manual on how to complete your visa application forms, and a social media card so you can follow them on social media. Yeah, and then at some point you have to make your appointment at the embassy. I'm from Germany. I had to pay 140 euros for my interview. You have to have your receipt from that. You have to have the certificate of eligibility, which they are sending you in the visa pack. You have to print out the DS 160, a copy of the confirmation of the appointment. Obviously, you have to bring your passport. You have to bring the receipt of the service payment. That is also in the placement pack. And you have to bring the match agreement. And I think that's it. But you don't have to remember all this because you're gonna get a little package where it says everything that you need, and they make it so easy for you. You don't really have to think if you have this because they help you with all the forms that you have to fill out. There's a step-by-step guide, so it was really easy. Coming to the appointment, if you've made it, you might think that you have to prepare a lot for the appointment. I personally didn't really prepare for the appointment because I've done it already and I know that they don't ask questions that you can't answer. I only looked at my match agreement and remembered the names again, remembered their ages again, their address, so all their personal information, I remembered that, and I really didn't prepare much more for that. So I arrived at the Frankfurt US consulate and I'm actually a little in a hurry, so I can't talk too much. I just wanted to show you that I brought everything that I needed in a little pack. That's my old passport and that's the new one as well. I don't know why I brought the old one. I guess just because my old visa is in there, and in case they have any questions when I had the old visa or how long it went or how ugly my picture was, they can just look in there. And other than that, I just brought 2 of my visa pictures. I don't know why, again. I probably brought a lot of stuff that I don't need. The only thing I know is that I cannot bring any electronic devices in there, and I don't think I can bring water as well. So I think it's basically as if you were going into an airport. So it's pretty much already an intimidating area here. And I'm always very nervous when I go do stuff like this, but I'm also nervous every time I fly. So they can be pretty mean, but I guess they haven't been the last time. The last time I remember it was pretty fast. I went in and out. There were basically no lines. I didn't really have to wait. I don't remember how long it took me there. I'm just gonna get going now because I should probably be there a little earlier than exactly the minute I have my appointment. Here in Germany, we are not allowed to be there any earlier than 15 minutes early. I guess they don't want bigger groups of people just waiting, which actually to me makes a lot of sense. So I'm just gonna leave my phone, my wallet, and everything. Basically, I'm gonna leave it here. And I remember I also can't take my car key with me, but that is no problem because they have boxes there where you can just store your stuff that you couldn't store in your car, and you can just bring it and then you can take it with you when you leave. So I'm gonna get going and I'll talk to you when I'm back. I just got back from the visa appointment. It was really quick. It took me 30 minutes and the officer only asked me 2 questions. He asked why I wanted the visa, and it was because I want to be an au pair, and where I'm going to be an au pair. And the last time I applied for the visa, the officer also asked me the names of my host children and host parents and the ages of my host children. So there was really nothing that I couldn't answer. Yeah, so now I'm waiting for my passport to return, hopefully with my visa in it. I think it's a good sign that they took my passport though, so I'm trying to not be nervous and not think too much about it. But I thought about what I'm gonna do for the next vlog, and I think that is gonna be about presents for your host family. Because obviously the presents can't be too big or too heavy because they have to fit in your suitcase. And yeah, I don't have any clue yet what I'm gonna get them, but I'm gonna let you know when I do and take you with me. Bye bye, I hope to see you.